Check out the boy. The boy look fly, innit? And guess what? I'm heading to Hull City. So it's gonna take me 1 hour 9 minutes. I'm just taking this slowly, and it's going really fast. One thing about the country and the road is everywhere just feels the same. See, road tiny. This one past Lagos Road, though. Where? Afara. You like it? Hey, God. I dey live my life the way I fit afford. Do same things where my guys they do abroad. Sabi to happy myself whenever I'm bored. I cannot come and keep myself, oh God. Dangote no do paso, Otedola no do paso, Adenuga no do paso. For my headache, why you want drink up so? Despite no do paso, Ajipon no do paso, Bolare no do paso. For my headache, why you want drink up so? I dey clear my line go on daily basis. Things I've been through got me feeling like Matrix. I know numbers, I go to mathematics. It's all about the papers, got you for notice. Notice, see, I not be novice. Kpakam in the building, I mean the wrong things. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's Mr. Kpakam right here in case you're seeing the face for the first time. And for my returning viewers, Afana. It's a beautiful day here in Scarborough. The weather is about 8 degrees Celsius in the morning. Time it's 8:30 a.m. And guess what? I'm heading to Hull City. Scarborough to Hull City. I've never been there, so I'll be taking you with me and you'll see through my lens. Check out the boy. The boy look fly, innit? Yeah. So, I need to hit the road now. I got my stuff ready. It was a nice time here. I enjoyed this apartment in my little cabin. Can you see? I had a really nice time. The bed is so comfy that I slept too much. In short, I woke up very late. Usually I wake up like 4:30, 5 o'clock, but the bed was too comfy. And man, without wasting much time, let's get into the journey. Alright? You're gonna see through my lens. I promise you that. Whoo-hoo, about to eat the road, you know the vibe.
We're all set. Drive safely. Turn left, then turn right.
Yeah, so it's gonna take me 1 hour 9 minutes, approximately 40 miles. 40 miles from Scarborough to Hull City. It's gonna be a short ride, not a long one. Okay. Let's go.
Turn right on Breakford Road, then turn left on Allure Street.
Please follow the road for 700 yards.
Yeah.
Please follow the road for 700 yards. Please turn left in 100 yards. Now turn left.
Turn left on Commercial Street.
Prepare to turn right. Now turn right.
This one past Lagos Road, oh. Where? See road tiny.
Please turn right in 200 yards at the end of the road onto the A64 and then turn left.
Turn right on A64 to Falls Way.
Now turn right. Now turn left.
Okay, I'm on the road now. Let's get into it. Yeah. Yeah.
So many times that I miss you. I know how to call when I want to. Now you got way bigger issues. You're running around like you single. Slow down, only you the ginger the whole town. Slow it sometime. Go out, mountain for your back, make it run wild. Slow it sometime. Time to slow down. So many things we could have been. You left me so cold. You know that I need you. Now I feel so cold. I gotta get even. Still I want you close. Sometimes I need you. I never forget you, but I won't call you anyway. stress you. You think say you be my controller. You say I'll be nothing without you. Slow down, now you way to make me to run wild. Slow it sometime, no lie. Plenty women make me to run wild. Slow it sometime. I need to slow down, yeah. So many things we could have been.
Take the third exit on a 614.
Nobody wins cause you won't call me anyway. I won't call you anyway.
Yo, 30 minutes more and I'll be at your city. Your. Have you ever had a Hall City? Hall City? Hall City? So in 30 minutes I'll be there. I'm just taking this slowly and it's going really fast even though I'm taking it slowly. Now actually. So let's say in the next I got like 25 miles left.
On the beat, Mr. H.
Whoa, that was swift. I'm 4 minutes away. 4 minutes, 2.2 miles left for me to arrive. So that means I'm in all, guys. This is all. H-U-L-L. Hall. One thing about the country and the road is everywhere just feels the same, man. That's why it's the United Kingdom, right? Everywhere is the same. The road, everything. The vibe everywhere is the same. Eyes on the road, guys. I'll see you in 4 minutes. Oh. Finally, yeah, you can see, arrived. I just arrived in all, guys, and thanks for staying to the end of this video. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, one love, peace, and light.